healthier.
And Jill, we're waiting to hear from transportation officials exactly why the interstate is closed. The reasons listed online are collisions due to the foggy conditions. We see that right now. I-84 at Cabbage Hill. This is Dead Man's Pass, looking at very foggy conditions. You can't see much. And also the ice being to blame. It's very slick out on the interstate. We don't have any new snowfall over our mountain passes, but again, the fog combined with the very cold, icy conditions creating problems this morning. Pendleton and LeGrand, the interstate, both eastbound and westbound lanes between the two cities closed right now. Walla Walla Airport showing very foggy conditions on the camera there, so make sure you're watching for fog, if not freezing fog this morning along our valley locations, the foothills and the higher elevations of the Blues. We're also seeing fog over the Cascades as well. It is cold again today and dry much of the rest of the week. Looking ahead to the weekend, we do have some snow activity right now through eastern Washington and Oregon, especially over the Palouse and up again over the northeastern side of the Oregon Blues and Wallowa Mountains. We're going to continue to see that fog impacting drivers. Very light snowfall amounts in the higher elevations, otherwise drying out today. And it's the colder air moving in that helps to push out some of the clouds that have been so persistent over the past several days. But the winter storm that will impact the Midwest up to the northeast over the next 3 days does bring dry conditions, dry air for us, but very cold air. We're going to see those temperatures dropping from the freezing point this morning down closer to 0 degrees when you factor in the wind chill by Saturday morning. So make sure you're prepared for that. Bundle up just like we have been lately, but even more layers by tomorrow morning are needed. 32 degrees right now in Yakima, 33 degrees in the Tri-Cities where the fog has built in. We're seeing colder conditions right now in Walla Walla. Pendleton sitting in the 20s this morning. You can see by tonight and through tomorrow morning, temperatures drop by about 10 degrees. So 19 degrees tonight in the Tri-Cities. That will make for a frigid start tomorrow. 15 degrees tonight in Yakima, more than 15 degrees colder than the current temperature of 32 degrees. And by tomorrow morning, teens for Pendleton, Walla Walla. Although the good news is we get more sunshine today. We'll see a few clouds tomorrow. Otherwise, sunny, dry, and very cold for the weekend before rain and warmer weather move in for the holiday travel week by Tuesday. Looking at Yakima, we've got 30s today, teens tonight. The fog lifts. We see more of that sunshine for the weekend, but again, very cold every morning. Looking ahead Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we'll start to warm up and see rain chances returning by Tuesday.